Hello, good morning. For today's video, magsasabi tayo ng statement natin para sa issue ng mag-inang YOLO. I don't usually do this kind of vlog, however, I think I should need to have to. I've been following the issue since nanalo si YOLO at I've read lots of comments out there like in the different aspects of views of different people. What I found then that it's a big issue. I mean, it's not big issue for because there are lots of people na nakisawsaw about this issue. Not because it's about disrespecting our parents and yeah, lots of things. To start then, in my views,